very soon we might be experiencing one of the biggest reunions this year. No ni thutha wa 3 months of drama, and tukoretwo tukiona haria vurugu ya wendo gatagati ga Karash na Triza Mamake Muraya. But recently after domereri area ikoretwo ikirekererio ni ESSY wa Willy, uria wakorirwo akihonokia Triza, ni ironania ati there is a possible reunion, na very soon no tukoretwo tukiona Triza akiuga we are back together.
Are we back together?
So tell them.
Okay, we are back together, guys.
3 months, an end of 3 months of drama. Inone drama ikoretwo inene mono industry ne, not only industry ne ya Kikuyu, but the whole entertainment industry had been brought to a standstill by this story. By this drama ni shakori ya TikTok, ni kwa jire ginya igoti ya TikTok ria discussaga maundu maya, gukiyumiria ginya drama Facebook, gukiyumiria drama everywhere, ginya hagi kinyari drama no ni beef between brands. Atere ginya mutu uyu brand ambassador ni uyu ge okaheo mutu uyu rival. It was that big, but guess what? That drama is about to end. Ni kurigana domereri ria ESSY akireketia ukoro akirekereria. ESSY arauga ati kuri tariki 14 February ni akorirwo akihonokia Triza, haria kuratuika ati Triza athia kwiruta muoyo na akioya all that responsibility upon herself, na not considering kana not listening to what people were saying. Akioya horo ucio na ginya akihost Triza gwake, na all those pain, all those scandals that are going on at that time, akiendio all those things, na akibuild Triza to being a brand by herself. Haria riu ena kabunishi akirarutira wira, hena maundu make araruta, na akimuteithia guthi studio na kuruta nyimbo na maundu macio mothe na akirugama nake despite all the negativities. No tha ici ni akirekete ukoro akiimiria na kuga ati ever since riria makorirwo mageka event iria yakiri haria Blue Springs, maundu ni macenjetie, kuona ati tha ici for the last 2 days Triza dakoretwo akiaraniria na ESSY wa Willy, na ona dakoretwo akiinuka, because for those 3 months akoretwo mucii kuria akoretwo agithie gukoma ni kwa ESSY wa Willy, but right now for those 2 days dakoretwo agithie. Where is Triza Mamake Muraya? ESSY arauga ati ndugu yake ni thiete na mbere na gukoro ikimata na Karash, koguo there is a possible reunion. Domereri ni ria arekereirie kuria nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria. Niguo ESSY arekete gukoro akiuga. ESSY wa Willy muhonokania official statement. As you all know, I received a very disturbing call on the night of 14th February 2025 concerning Triza Mamake Muraya. As a long-time friend and a mom to her, I rushed to save her, and our journey together began. I did all I could to save and empower her, since I knew all about her struggles with grief over her marriage for many years. I sheltered her under my roof, the famous bedsitter, unconditionally. My aim was to see her win. Therefore, I chose to stand with her through thick and thin. You, our fans, came out in large numbers to support her to where she is now. It has been a tough journey, but I have endured and stood firm amidst all insults and accusations. Note, I am not a homewrecker, neither am I an opportunist. I have been supporting Triza wholeheartedly without expecting anything in return. We have been agreeing on certain things, and we have also been disagreeing on others. I have walked her to a journey of being a brand by herself, and it has been a success. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is where I experienced a turn of events. After her event at Blue Springs Hotel, we agreed that she is going to move out of my house, so that she will have a chance to go and rent a house and live well with her kids. We have been holding many meetings with highly respected people in the country that I will not mention here. Our main aim has been to look for a permanent solution for Triza and the well-being of her kids, since I had promised her that I will be with her till the end. Now, as of Wednesday, 2 days ago, Triza has not been in my house, and I am not aware of her whereabouts. She has not communicated to me, and I don't know where she is. That's a decision she made since their bond with her husband has grown stronger. If anything was to happen to her, just know that she is no longer under my roof, and I won't be responsible for anything. Dear Triza, I have done what the Lord commissioned me to do in your life. Through you, God started a ministry in me of helping and saving those that are suffering in life. I won't regret the work that I have done for you. I won't recall the insults and accusations that I had to endure in this journey with you, but I will thank God for using me to save you. My mission was to build you again with holding nothing. Now that you are well physically, emotionally, spiritually, and financially, I wish you all the best in your life, but I will caution you to be careful, not to fall back to the life that you had. As I sign out, mine is to thank you all for supporting this noble task. You came to me as a broken and hurt woman, and now you go as a strong, changed, and healed woman. May the good Lord guide and protect you. In case of anything, I'm just a phone call away. All the best, my daughter. To you, my fans and supporters, this is not a goodbye to the noble task that is ahead of me of saving other people. I will continue to save and help anyone who is in need without asking anything in return. See you soon. Thank you all and have a blessed day. It is well, Tata ESSY. A very long statement. Eno nane ndumiriri ndaihu na gukira iria cia wanja nyarari. But ESSY wa Willy is signing out. Na thaa ici it is very clear that Triza Mamake Muraya is being tamed back to Gatondo tondu maundu mothe maronania thaa ici Triza thaa ici kuria mwena wa Karash kuria nyumba-ini ya Habakuk and all indications are showing that on her way to either Gatondo or a Gatondo proxy iria igugithondekwo, but she will be back home after 3 months of drama. After all those things happened, after kuchangiwa online, after emotional battalion, after creating beef among other people, after all that, uhoro uyu wothe wathira na Triza gukorwo agicoka mucii gwake. Uhoro uyu has a lot of lessons, has a lot of things you can take home. It's up to you to decide what to take home, what to blame her for. What to do with this information is up to you. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.